The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is all set to wow us with its impressive lineup of features. Here's a sneak peek. Camera revolution. The main camera is leveling up big time, now boasting a 24-megapixel resolution for even crisper images. 8K video magic. Get ready for next-level video recording with 8K at 30 FPS, plus an awesome 5x zoom feature for extra detail. Supercharged zoom. The new 5x zoom sensor brings improved stabilization, making your photos and videos look steady and clear, even in low light. Tougher than ever. It's the first phone to feature the new Corn and Gorilla Glass armor and a super strong titanium frame. AI at your service. The phone's AI-driven gallery lets you tweak photo backgrounds just the way you like. Chatbot companion. Need an essay? The built-in AI chatbot has got your back. Zoom like never before. The single-take feature now offers up to 10x zoom, adding more range to your photography. Get ready, because the Galaxy S24 Ultra is about to change the game in 2024.